Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2014 Toyota Camry Hybrid XLE. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, chrome trim, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 17-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 4-cylinder hybrid with only 24,009 miles. Key fob trunk release, the shark fin antenna, large wraparound brake lights, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row adjustable fabric trimmed bucket seating, cruise, a push-button start, dual-zone auto climate, a valet function, a locking glove box, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the easy-to-use multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and an auxiliary port, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.